Keita direct red card versus Sassuolo in Serie A match. Sassuolo beat Sampdoria with a 2-3 score. A disappointing home defeat for Sampdoria. It got even worse as Keita got a direct red card near the end of the match. He tried to tackle one of Sassuolo's player and make the last attack of the match for Sampdoria. He made every scrum tackle that was also dangerous. He got a direct red card while Sampdoria lost the match. Keita got a direct red card versus Sassuolo in Serie A match.